What's up, my Zillas? I'm gonna go ahead and announce the 2 giveaway winners real quick before I continue on with the video of these American Express gift cards. They're $50 each. So let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the URL from here and generate a random comment. Paste the URL right here. And now we're gonna have 2 giveaway winners. So we're gonna have 1 and 2. So there's a total of 24 comments. I made sure to delete my comments so they don't come out. And we're gonna go ahead and click randomly pick winner. And Joan Geraldino, you won one $50 gift card. Congratulations, buddy. Let's pick one more. Jesus Shuttleworth, you are another subscriber that won the $50 gift card. Again, thank you guys so much for helping me achieve 1,000 subscribers. We are now at 1.3 thousand, about to hit 1.3 thousand. So we're growing and I have a lot of content to bring to you guys. I appreciate everything you guys do for me by hitting the like button. Make sure to hit this one and consider subscribing if you're new. Peace, Zillas.